Okay, guys. The bus won't show me any bus routes. It won't tell me what direction they're going. All the buses, them MTSs, seem to go back. They keep wanting to take me back to the same area that I just left, El Cajon. No buses, like in New Orleans, seem to leave the area. Even though they're different buses. I look on Google and I cannot find any routes for any of the buses. No routes. Everything goes back to El Cajon. Even though it's the 838, the 864, all these buses go the same route back to El Cajon. When I know I saw on Google earlier that they went farther east toward Mexicali. Now all of them go back to El Cajon. I'm leaving Walmart, and I just bought this charger. Paid $9 for it. Where is it? And it's only charged. It had 3 bars, but it's not upward to 14%. So it's not charged. That's why you buy charger juice bars, just put them have a charge on it so you can charge your phone. But it's only up to 14%, and all the bars are just about gone. Let me show you. So it's about dead. So that means I can't get a 20% charge. Oh, it just died. I couldn't get a 20% charge out of a new juice. And she told me it's fully charged. They come fully charged. It can't be fully charged. If only you can get 14% out of 3. It's flickering. It's gonna die. If I can only get 14% out of 3 bars, it's dying. So I'm taking it back in there, because we definitely have a problem. It's dying. Only 14%. All right.